Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Still on the BBNaija reunion show, more spills as Elozonam explains how Diane left him at party to follow a Nollywood star. In this video, we'll be revealing how the relationship of Diane Rashim and Elozonam ended unimaginably. According to Elozonam, Diane allowed someone else come in between their relationship, which everyone thought was sailing smoothly. She was seriously crushing on Ghanaian-born Nollywood actor Mavilu Gavon. Elozonam made it known to the show host Ebuka Obi-Uchendu during Pepper Dem reunion show that Diane had all the efforts focused on MG, that's Mavilu Gavon, without proud thought that he, Elozonam, does everything possible to make their union work, since fans already see the Halo ship as sailing without any obstacle. Besides, Diane still holds on to the fact that she doesn't like Elozonam for few reasons, one of which is that he holds things to heart, and in a word, Elozonam is not forgiving. It could be recalled that after Big Brother Naija Season 4 ended in October 6, 2019, the official sponsor of the show, BBNaija, organized a party themed BBNaija finale party for all the housemates. Now, at the party, Elozonam stated during that he met his biggest disappointment. According to him, he went to the party with Diane, but she wasn't emotionally, mentally and spiritually present, as her mind got stuck with MG, that's Mavilu Gavon, who she kept on chatting with on phone. After a while, Elozonam said he saw Mavilu step into the party hall and he knew immediately that Diane was the reason he came. Both of them exchanged pleasantry. Party continued. When it was time to go, Elo revealed that Diane insisted on following him as maybe she had already planned on going home with another man, that's MG. Long story short, Diane eventually followed Mr. Gavon to his hotel room, during which Elozonam saw it was now very obvious she has a very serious thing going on between her and the actor. At that point, Elozonam made a decision to call it quits so everyone could move on. Meanwhile, check out the reaction from BBNaija fans as you can observe everyone is blaming Diane for leaving Elozonam heartbroken, all those while she was into MG. Again, so guys, what are your thoughts? What do you think is the reason for this fallout? Yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops. Thank you.